Hello everyone, this is Arjun here and I got this in my mail today, Intenso by Dolce & Gabbana. So I thought I'll do the unboxing video with you guys and share my initial thoughts on it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so here we go for the unboxing of Intenso by Dolce & Gabbana. It's a fairly simple box. Alright, there's nothing spectacular going on in the front. The side has one sticker on the side. The back has the rates and the ingredients and all that kind of things. In the right side there's nothing, and in the top you can see Dolce & Gabbana there. In the back you can see the code. So let's go ahead and open this. And I got this as a backup bottle for my travels, since I'm using this for 1 week now. I have the bigger bottle inside. So as you can see, there's a velvety touch outside. It's very elegant. Even the smell is very on the richer side. The back you can see it's engraved. It's very nice to touch actually. Intenso by Dolce & Gabbana. Right, so let's open this. As soon as we open, you can see the back black inside. I love this bottle. It's simply beautiful, so elegant. The smaller one looks even better actually. The bigger one looks a little like a brandy bottle but this one looks amazing. So that's the cap. It's all plastic, nothing special about it, and clicks properly. There's no magnets. The atomizer is pretty nice. It sprays pretty well in the bigger one. Let me try in this one. Yeah, it's good. It's really good. Nice. Let's try the top notes. Top note is very rich with lavender. You can smell aquatic notes there. There's a little synthetic feel to it, and the dry down has lavender and sandalwood in it. That's tobacco is also a big note in this. It stays for a very long time. As you can see, it's Eau De Parfum. It's very nice. And apart from this, I have one more surprise for you. That's a smaller bottle of Intenso Dolce & Gabbana, and I've decided to give this away to you guys, and I will tell you later how. Very cute bottle. It doesn't have an atomizer in this. It's a normal bottle. So that's it. That's Intenso by Dolce & Gabbana, the unboxing. I hope you guys liked it. As I said, I'm giving this away, and this is 5 ml bottle of Intenso. Very cute bottle, and the smell is amazing. Really nice. So all you have to do is like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below. So the best comment wins. I want to send this to the person who gives me the best comment. Alright, so all the best guys, and have a good one.